Hello, my name is Daniel, and in this video, I want to show you how to set up your AREC Media Stations to work with Panopto for video management. All of the AREC Media Stations are already integrated with Kaltura, Panopto, and OpenCast, and you do not need any additional license to start using them. So how to do the setup is quite simple. You go to the administrator page of your media station and navigate to the scheduler tab. Here, you will have different ways on how to automate the recording and streaming of your media station. You can do it by manually import a calendar or doing a periodic automatic import of calendars of any iCal type of calendar, or in this case, we will do it via the Panopto server. So the first thing we need to do is input the URL of our Panopto server. In my case is this one right here. And let me make this bigger. And input your username and password. One additional thing we need to add a new external or remote recorder to Panopto is to generate a registration key. So for that, on the Panopto systems, go to remote recorders, registration key, and generate or create a new registration key. Simply copy this key, paste it, and hit apply. And of course, don't forget to turn the scheduler on before you hit apply. The next step is to go to the Upload tab, and here we want to choose the option to auto upload after each recording is complete. So we hit apply. Then out of the several ways that you can choose for the video or the file transfer, we choose Panopto and again input the URL and your credentials, username and password. Now here we need to add one more information, which is the folder ID for the default folder that we want to use with Panopto. This is the folder to which all the recordings will go by default unless you choose a different one on the Panopto scheduler, which I will show you soon. So to add the folder, we go to the folder we want to use, go to Settings, Manage, and copy the folder ID. We paste it again on our media station and click on Connection Test. We can see that it's successful, so we can hit Apply. And that is all you need to do. It is ready to start using. So, like I said, if you use, for example, the front panel of the media station or any other way to start and stop the recording, all of the recordings will end up on this main recording folder. But if you have more folders on your Panopto site, you can also go to your remote recorder, choose the recorder that you want to use, and manually select the folder where you want these recordings to be saved to. So it can be different from the default one that we chose on the Upload tab. Once you select, it simply remember to put a proper name to your recording and then hit record. This works the same way if you create a scheduled recording through the Panopto interface. Remember to input the file name and choose the correct recorder that you want to use. All the recordings that were scheduled on Panopto site, you can find them on Scheduler by clicking on the calendar icon. So just like here, we can see that it's already recording. We can also give you access to a step-by-step installation and configuration guide. And if you have additional questions or you need more support, feel free to reach us at www.a-dena.com and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for your time and have a good day.